What's up guys, Lou here, and today I'm gonna share some tips on how to keep your car looking and smelling new. Now before we actually start washing the car, we first wanna give it a rinse to remove any loose debris. Now on to washing. The real trick here is to get two separate buckets, one with soapy water and one with clean water. First you wanna use the soapy water, and you wanna be sure to use a proper car soap. You shouldn't be using dish detergent. Next step is to rinse the sponge in the clean water, removing any debris you may have collected from the hood of the car. Then you can return it back to the